going on, guys? It is Sauce.
And Dicey.
And we have one opening this video. It's going to be this Platinum Arceus Happiny Lopunny pack that I'm going to open. And there's a cat. So let's open this. Just picked this up randomly. Grabbed it off the shelf before I bought my Pop-Tarts.
She has to be the center of attention. She tried to get on film.
She did.
It's not that easy to get on the Icy and Sauce show.
It's stuck to the package, that's why.
Oh no.
That was stuck with glue.
There
a lot of glue, there we go. So you get this little thing that's also stuck together with glue.
Oh.
I feel like it zoomed in. It was a little bit. Oh, damn.
Did you get the other pack out, or is this on there?
Look, there's only one pack.
Oh, I thought there was two packs.
No, that's this pack. That's this little 2 promos and 1 energy. So I guess we'll open it. So I thought. Oh my god, this is taking too long. Alright, first energy is Steel Energy. And then a Weasel. And then a Piplup.
2 waters and the wrong energy.
Yep. Alright, so we're going to shake up this Platinum Arceus, or Arceus, however you choose to say it. I feel like there's no code card in here. I also don't know if the...
I think the card trick is the same. If not, it's 2.
Well, we'll see in a second. Ready? Okay, we have Department Store Girl, Luxio, Grovyle, Electrike, Kabuto, Wingull, Shinx, Charmander.
Oh!
Nice! Arceus, level 100.
Arceus?
Arceus.
And it's,
Porygon Z.
Is that 2 rares?
2 rares, yep.
So that's the Fire Arceus.
Yeah, AR3. I'm not actually sure what card this is classed as because we don't deal with these kind of cards a lot. But, do you remember? You have one, don't you?
Yeah, the Psychic Arceus.
Alright, and then a Porygon Z. So that's going to wrap up this video. Remember, guys, don't tamper with the packs when you're buying packs.
That's awful.
Yeah, so we'll see you in the next one from Sausage.
And Dicey. Remember to shake well.